हेलो चिल्ड्रन, कैसे हैं आप सब? कैन यू गेस टुडेज टॉपिक? राइट, वर्ब्स। वर्ब्स बच्चों, आज हम वर्ब्स के बारे में सीखने वाले हैं। पता है ना आपको, वर्ब्स के बिना कोई भी सेंटेंस इनकम्प्लीट होता है। तो वर्ब्स क्या है बच्चों? अ वर्ब इज अ वर्ड यूज्ड फॉर डिनोटिंग एन एक्शन. वी कैन नॉट फॉर्म अ सेंटेंस विदाउट अ वर्ब. A verb expresses action, being and possession. So look at these examples. Tia put a book on the table. She is a beautiful girl. The nightingale has a sweet voice. In sentence number 1, put is doing word. It tells us about Tia did with the book. In sentence number 2 is a being word. It tells us about she being beautiful. In sentence number 3 has shows possession and it tells us about the nightingale. And there are 3 kinds of adverb: action verbs, having verbs and being verbs. Action verbs. Action. Verb shows action, like look at the example. The child laughs loudly. यहाँ क्या काम हो रहा है? Laughing, हंसना. My grandfather walks in the garden. तो यहाँ walk हो रही है, that is an action. Linking verbs. Linking verbs that express a condition or state of being as are known as linking verbs. A linking verb connects the subject with a noun or an adjective that describes the subject. The noun or the adjective that completes the meaning of a linking verb is called the subject complement. Look at the examples. He seems sad. This is the subject. He, linking verb is seems and subject complement is sad. This cake is subject, taste linking verb, delicious is subject complement. Having verbs, the having verbs, these denote belongingness or possession. Like look at the examples. Rinky has a frock. We have a new phone. You had a bicycle when you were young. Note down. There are following forms of the helping verbs: be, do, have. Present form is are, am, has, have, do, does. Past form was, were, did, had. And future form will be, will do and will have. So बच्चों, इसी टॉपिक, इसी इंफॉर्मेशन के बेस पर कुछ एक्सरसाइजेज दी गई हैं आपके बेनिफिट के लिए. क्या करेंगे आप? उनको अटेम्प्ट करेंगे और उनको करने की कोशिश करेंगे. ठीक है? Underline the verbs in each sentence, then write A for action verb, L for linking verb and H for having verb in A part. In B part, fill in the blanks with action verbs, having verbs or being verbs. Circle the action verb in each sentence. Okay? In C part और ये सब करते हुए please don't get bored, enjoy having fun. Have fun बच्चों.